Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to check recently watched reels on Instagram. Let's clarify this upfront. Instagram doesn't have a built-in feature that allows you to rewatch recently viewed reels. So, there's no direct way to find them on the Instagram mobile app or website. Nonetheless, you can use some workarounds to see the reels that you have recently viewed, each with some limitations. Let's delve into the options you have. Instagram doesn't refresh the Reels feed until you close the app or sign out of your account. If you haven't done either since watching the reel you want to rewatch, you can easily find it in the Reels feed. Simply tap on the reel icon at the bottom and scroll upward a few reels. You'll likely find the one you want to rewatch. If you don't see the same reels you watched earlier in the feed, it's likely because you've closed the app, causing Instagram to refresh it. So, explore the other available options that you have. If you remember liking or commenting on the reels you're trying to watch again, you can find it in the history of your interactions. This is where Instagram maintains a record of your recent interactions, including likes, comments, tags, stickers responses, and more for posts and reels you've engaged with. To check your activity, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner on the screen. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and tap on your activity. Within this section, explore each interaction type to view the reels you engage with and see if you're fortunate enough to find the reel you want to rewatch. If it's not here, you probably didn't interact with it when you first watched it. So, move on to the next option. Find the Instagram account that posted the reel. If you remember the username of the account that posted the reel you want to rewatch, you may be able to find it on their page. Tap on the magnifying glass icon. Enter the username you recall and check if you can find the account in the suggestion search results. If successful, navigate to the reels posted by the account and you should see the reel you want to rewatch. If you don't find it through a search, see if you're following that account. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap following next to your profile icon and browse the list. Maybe a name will ring a bell. And last, manually search for the reel. If you recall the caption, the music, or the tags inserted in the reel, you may be able to locate it using the Instagram search feature. Tap on the magnifying glass icon. Enter the keywords you remember from the tag, caption, or music and perform the search. Then, navigate to the audio tab and choose the song, and you'll find recently posted reels using that song. Check if you can find your reel among them. If unsuccessful, go to the tags and reels tabs to find the reel with the relevant tag or the one containing the keywords in its caption. If none of these approaches are successful, brainstorm all the details you remember about the reel and try searching for it in any browser using details. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.